Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial on how I achieved this beautiful half up, half down hairstyle. We are getting right into it. I have my hair completely down and I'm just brushing through to make sure that there aren't any tangles. FYI, I did wash my hair yesterday, so I am doing this tutorial on clean hair, but if you have dirty hair, this will work just fine. Maybe make sure to use some dry shampoo right before. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of all of the products and tools that I will be using in this tutorial. If you wanna skip ahead, feel free to fast forward to this timestamp right here, and I will have everything linked down in the description box below. First, we have this brush from Tangle Teaser. I got it off of Amazon and I just use it to detangle my hair, as you guys just saw. I have this rat tail comb to get a nice clean part. At some point, you will need something to hold a couple of pieces of hair out of the way. You can use bobby pins or rubber bands, but I'm gonna use these two little hair clips. Next, you'll need a soft board brush, just like this one here, to slick your hair back into a ponytail. I have rubber bands, obviously. I am using clear ones, but you can also use regular ponytail holders like this one. Since I have layers in my hair, I always need bobby pins no matter what the hairstyle is. And at the very end, I really like to clean up my edges using this little dual end styling brush. If you don't have one of these at home, you can definitely just use a clean toothbrush. It's literally the same thing. And now for the products, you will need some sort of gel or paste. Personally, I don't really like how hair gel feels on me, so I'm using this hair wax stick from Bedhead. And lastly, you will need a good hairspray that has a strong hold to it. I'm starting off by parting my hair to the side. Once I'm done sectioning my hair here, I'm going to take a big part of my hair over here on this side. This is kind of like my main bang part of my hair. And I'm gonna take my hair clip and just clip this off. And I'm also taking another section on the other side. It's a little bit smaller than the other one, and taking my second hair clip and just clipping it off right there as well. Starting from where my ears are, I'm gonna go ahead and start forming a second section by going up and back and just separating the hairs. This part's gonna be a little messy at first, but just keep kind of messing around with it until you get a hold of all of your hair. You really wanna make sure that all of these parts are nice and straight and clean, so really take your time on this. Once you're done sectioning off your hair, you're going to take the clip out of that smaller section of your hair. But you're also going to take your wax stick and start applying it to the hairline. Then I'm going to take my comb and just start combing it back into my hands. I'm also going to take my soft board brush and really start brushing my hair back. And taking the wax stick and just reapplying, kind of going into my hair a little deeper. It's really important to focus on brushing upwards, but not too much because you don't want to get rid of this side part that you created earlier. But by brushing up and back, it'll give you that beautiful like facelift, snatched effect, and it'll also just look really sleek and clean. You want to really take your time on this part as well because you do not want any bumps in the hair. Once you feel like your ponytail is sleek and bump free, You're gonna go ahead and secure it with your rubber band. Do not be alarmed if you find some bumps all throughout your hair once that ponytail got secured. That's why we have finishing touches and bobby pins and hairspray and all that good stuff. Now I'm going to take this main bang piece and I'm going to start coating it with this wax stick. And combing it out to make sure that there aren't any bumps. And now I'm going to take it and like tuck it behind my ear, and then using some bobby pins, just start pinning it in the back where you can't see. And once it is nice and bobby pinned back, I'm going to take this comb and just go over it to, again, make sure that there aren't any bumps. We hate bumps in this household. And take a few more bobby pins. Okay, so now it's time to add some finishing touches. I'm going to take my hairspray and just spray it all over. And I'm taking my dual edge styling brush just to do my baby hairs, edges, whatever you want to call them. And this part is totally optional, but I do know that some people like to take a straightener or curling iron to add some bumps to the ends of their hair or just like some extra texture. So if you want to do that and you feel like you need a little something extra to this hairstyle, then this is the part where you do so. And that is basically it. I love this hairstyle so much. I feel like it gives Ariana Grande vibes. Cue that Azealia Banks video, right? I got my half up, half down. Do I give Ariane? Do I give Arianka or no? I feel like I said that perfectly. No, but I think that this hairstyle is so perfect for a date night or girls' night out. It's very cute and flirty, and I also feel like this hairstyle goes really well with any outfit or makeup look. And I know Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so I think that this hairstyle is great for that occasion as well. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget that I have all of the products and tools that I used throughout this tutorial linked down in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. You guys already know what to do, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!